What's up, guys and girls? Jesse Daley here. Welcome back to Daily Weather and welcome back to Today in the Tropics. Thank you so much for being here. I'm based here in the U.S. Virgin Islands where we've been experiencing a wet weather pattern recently. Let's see what you can plan to experience over the coming days and what the National Hurricane Center is currently looking at. All right, my friends, let's take a quick look at what's happening on Friday, November 1st. Welcome to November, by the way. The National Hurricane Center is now monitoring 3 areas for possible development. Now, we are still watching that area that I've talked about for a while in the southwestern Caribbean Sea. This now has a high chance of development over the next few days here, and a tropical depression could form. By the way, if a tropical storm forms with maximum sustained winds of at least 39 miles per hour, it would be given the name Patty, the 16th named cyclone of the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season. I'll show you a couple of model runs to see what we could expect in just a minute. We also have disturbance number 2 here, really close to the U.S. Virgin Islands, actually. It's kind of a trough low pressure situated right around Puerto Rico, and this has been dumping a lot of rain on us here in the Virgin Islands. In fact, here's an image of rainfall totals so far as of Friday morning, and we actually are expecting to have more rain across this area, and, islands across the Leeward Islands, northern Leeward Islands, and when westward across Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and Cuba and the Bahamas also will get a bunch of rain from this system, and it could potentially develop into something over the next couple of days, but it has a very low chance of strengthening at this point. We also have disturbance number 3 up in the North Atlantic, and our friends near the Azores Islands of beautiful Portugal need to watch this one closely. Now, here's a look at the global forecast system ensembles, and we can see that there is definitely more agreement today that something will develop in the southwestern Caribbean and move toward the Gulf of Mexico. Where something goes at that point is still kind of up in the air. We also have a couple other systems we have to watch out in the Atlantic, low pressure systems. But here is the European model, the European model ensembles, and again, much more in agreement today than they have been in the last few days, showing that something forming in the southwestern Caribbean Sea may move toward the Gulf of Mexico. Again, uncertainty is high, so keep an eye on the National Hurricane Center, and also please hit that subscribe button here on Daily Weather. It really helps my channel out. I'm based here in the U.S. Virgin Islands, and if you like to see videos from the Virgin Islands and the Caribbean in general, I'm also out in the field, doing videos. So hit that subscribe button and, join the channel. All right, my friends, stay safe out there. And as always, I will keep an eye on the tropical skies come rain or shine.